So who was so worried about taking too much time to do makeup that I forgot to do mascara? So on to the next video. We're doing mascara today. Yep. So if you haven't watched the first video, I did my makeup to show you an easy way to do your makeup for video. And while I was doing it, I wrapped it up without doing mascara. So here we go. This is how I do my mascara. So I have two different kinds. I have my day, and then I have my I want lashes mascara. And so I'm using my business card for my studio. And so I just take the mascara and I pay attention to the end lashes first. Give them some love, build them up. And this, especially if you have smaller eyes or if you have hooded eyes, this is a great trick because you're not gonna mess up your eye makeup. And so look, like chin down. No, wait, no, chin up. Chin up. And go back and forth with it. Wiggle, wiggle, pull. Wiggle, wiggle, pull. Wiggle, wiggle, pull. And so that's giving you the volume and the length. It's really hard to see in these, but I don't know. Usually I'm pretty particular about the clumpiness. I don't like clumpy lashes. So I'll come in and get really close and just make sure that there's no clumping. If you do have clumping, you can go to Sally's and get the disposable mascara wands that makeup artists use for to keep their mascara sanitary. And so use that and use a clean one when you want to just get in there and make sure there's no clumps. I'm taking off the excess from my brush. And I'm just going to do a little bit on the bottom. Just a little bit. And so this is, I usually make a mess. And so what I'll do is I'll just kind of put it on, try to be as careful as possible, but then I'll just take a Q-tip and run it underneath, which will smooth out my concealer as well. So if you watched the first video, I didn't really get too particular about how my concealer looked underneath. So I'll just take a Q-tip and run it underneath, and that kind of takes care of any of that excess that's there. Okay, so mascara's on. I can't believe I forgot mascara. Okay. So business card, holding with one hand, coming up, and just paying attention to the outside ones first. Because that's gonna give you the lift. We want everything to be up and out. And so our eyeshadow never comes down here. We want that to be up and lifted. And so there's like an invisible line from here up where you don't want your eyeshadow to come down. And so you're wiggling and pulling, just getting those lashes some attention on the outside edge and then coming on in the inside, wiggling for the volume and then pulling up for length. Okay. And then taking the excess off, so that I can do the bottom lashes without making a huge fat mess with it. Oh, just in time. I hear the littlest up and crying from her nap. All right, so running the Q-tip, just gonna use the other side, turning it around underneath. There, voila. Mascara is on. And I did at the beginning of the video, I don't know if I mentioned that before, I curled my lashes. But all of this will be in the blog notes so that you'll know which products and the sequence that I did them in. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.